yours.
I'm not allowed to pass up free donuts.
There we go. We got a taker. It's yours.
All right, thanks. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf Submortal, cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. And I got another flat. Now, I'm getting a flat basically every time I go out for a ride. If I ride for a while, I will get a flat. It doesn't matter. Tire liners, no tire liners, new inner tubes, different inner tubes, nothing's helping out. It's these treads. It's these Meepo treads. Because everybody who's getting them is having the same problem. And then we switch them out for other treads. Bing, bang, boom. No more problem. So it's the treads. FYI. So I ordered some CloudWheels. Going to be getting those as soon as I get down to my mail service. They're sitting there in the box. And get those switched out. I'll get a video out about those as soon as I get them on and get to use them, because it's raining right now. It's crappy out. Crappy. It looks like sun. That's just glare from the clouds. But yeah, it's crappy out, so I'm not going to be riding anytime soon. And my bike's still broke. So I ordered a part. Let me get into this part thing for a second with the bike, because it's starting to make me nuts. So the full story is that the rotor shaft in my BBSHD snapped off, which I don't know what happened, but I got some ideas. I had some problems, and it's probably just a user error, but in any case, it snapped off. So I got my bike shop to order one for me, and when they got it, they had ordered the wrong size, but they got it broken. So they said, hey, look, we got the wrong size, and it's broken. We're sending it back to LunaCycle. They sent it back to LunaCycle, and LunaCycle would not refund their full purchase. LunaCycle refused to refund like $40 of the purchase because they said it was their fault for ordering the wrong thing, and the bike shop said, yeah, but you sent us a broken part anyway, so we couldn't have used it. So the bike shop now won't order from LunaCycle for me because of this $40. So I look on the website, see that the part's in. I call the bike shop. I'm like, yo, the part's in. And this is like a month ago or something. And so they call me back and they say, oh, they owe us $40, so we're not going to order from them. You have to order from them. I'm like, okay, I don't know why I'm just finding this out now, but whatever. I'll order it from them. I order it, part finally comes in, I take it down to the bike shop, they try to hook it up, and they said, this part don't fit. I said, but it's got to fit. I looked on the box says it's the thing that I need. So I contacted LunaCycle. I'm like, yo, this part don't fit. And they said, no, it'll fit, it's just a little tough. And so I told the bike shop, I'm like, they say it'll fit. They're like, the bolt holes don't line up. Where the bolts go in to put in all the stuff, it doesn't line up at all. So I contacted them back. I'm like, yo, none of this stuff lines up. It doesn't fit. They said, it's the right thing. We look on the box. They sent you the right thing. It's got to fit. You just got to try. So I went down to the bike shop. I said, what's going on? So they showed me the whole thing. Nothing lined up. So I took a bunch of pictures. I sent them to LunaCycle. And LunaCycle, says, that's the wrong part. You got the wrong part there. Right box, wrong part. They put the wrong part in the right box. So they said, you want a refund? I said, well, I want an exchange because I need the part for my bike. I need to get my bike fixed so I can ride my bike. And so they said, okay, send us the part back. As soon as you get the part in the mail and we get the tracking on it, we'll send you the correct part. I'm like, great, just make sure it's the correct part. So got the box, put it in the box, put it in the mail, contacted them. I'm like, yo, can I get my part? And they said, we went through all the boxes, and all the boxes have the wrong part in it. So they got a bunch of boxes for the part I need, but inside the boxes is a part I don't need because it don't fit my bike. So they said, no, I just can't have it. So at this point, I can't have the part. This is a BBSHD B motor core, so it's half the motor, basically. So I went online. I went to the endless sphere on Facebook. I'm like, yo, I got this problem. I need this part. And they said, well, why don't you just buy the component inside? The shaft goes into like a magnet thing, and it all gets spinny, and it's free in there. It just sits in there with magnets all around it, and but you can yank that out and just change that inner part. So I said, okay, cool, where can I get it? And somebody said, oh, you can get it here. And so there was a place, it was a Chinese distributor. I said, order it from here, order the part. And I had to go back and forth because there were two different sizes of the same part. So I ordered the new one because the old one isn't in stock anymore, and I'm assuming is obsolete because it's the old one, and it's probably for the A core, which is any case. If you guys know anything about the BBSHD, there's an A core and there's a B core. A core is old; they don't make it anymore, and they don't make parts for it anymore, basically. So, so I ordered the new version of the part, and nothing. So finally, after I think I waited like about a week, I contacted the supplier. I'm like, yo, where's my part? They said, oh, we had a lockdown in Sichuan, China or something. I forgot exactly what the name of the city was, but they're locked down. They're on lockdown. So they can't get the part out. So I don't have a part. So I'm not riding my bike. And again, I've got a flat right there. So, that's the video today, is just me bitching. Just me being a little bitch about all my problems. I have the CloudWheels. They're waiting for me down at my mailbox. I'm going to go get them today, get them set up, start riding my skateboard around. As soon as it stops raining, get some more videos out. I could have done a review video of one of my, I don't know, it's been a rough week. I've been working on a lot of artwork. I've had a lot of stuff going on. So, speaking of which, if you get a chance, go to my skateboard shop. So I've got a shop on the internet. Barco Toy Co. has all my art and sculptures and stuff on it. In that shop, I've got another shop, the Freakboard Shop, and it has grip tape and skate decks with my art on them and stuff. And so check that out. Go check it out. It's down in the description there, and like and subscribe. So that's it. Got to go down to get my wheels, get them installed. This week I wanted to do a video about electric skateboards versus electric bikes. And again, I probably could have done it. It's just a sit down talky type of thing. So, but I wanted to have footage. I wanted to run footage of me on the skateboard, me on the bike, and all that good stuff. I didn't get it. Because I got a flat and my bike's broken. So, and then I just want to address all of the complainers down in the comment section. I just started deleting them. Oh, this guy's trying so hard to be funny. Cringe. Yeah, I don't try anything. This is me. This is just how I is. When I make the videos, I go, oh, I got something I think this information would be useful for other people in my situation, so I make a video. Just happens to be, it's just me. It's got to be me doing it. I'm the one doing it. I don't script them. So you're just getting straight me. So if you're down in the comments like, oh, this guy, so you're just telling me that I suck. And fuck you. You suck. How's that? You're just a little bitch going around fucking with the little fucky troll. You're a little fucky troll. So I'm out skating. I'm out having a good time. I'm making videos. You have no video content, and you're a little bitch. So fuck yourself. Huh? And I just delete your comments anyway. Unless you're an idiot. Unless I can goof on you, I'll go down there and goof on you. Otherwise, I'm deleting your comments. So don't waste your time or mine. Bro, you've wasted my time. You've ruined my turd. Okay, so that's it. I am going to get back to drawing some fugglies. I'm working on a line of graphics called fugglies. So that'll be fun for me. Check out my shop. And otherwise, always remember, ride safe, be seen, have fun.